Welcome to Study Loop.
7.77. So we have a variable force that's given by this exponential here. X has units of meters, K has units of inverse meters, and A has units of newtons. And so we want to find the work that this force does going from x equals 0.1 meter to infinity. So we're assuming that the force has to be in the x direction because no other sort of information is given to us. So the angle is going to be 0 between the force and the displacement. And so the work is just going to be the integral of the force times the displacement. So a e to negative kx dx. So this is negative a over k e to the negative kx from 0.1 meters to infinity. And so then this gives us a over k times e to the negative 0.1 meters times k.